Good morning, Mighty Rattlers. For me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, January 17th, 2020. Happy Friday. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. And our birthdays. Please have a seat. I'll give you a few seconds to sit down. All right, celebrating birthdays today. Luis Torres in kinder and Kimberly Rios in 5th grade. Tomorrow, we have Sophia's birthday in 2nd grade. Sunday, we have Brandon and Hugo's birthday in 5th. Brandon in 5th grade and Hugo in 1st grade. And then on Monday, you guys are lucky because you are off of school on your birthday. And we have Jocelyn Hernandez and Emily Mejia. Happy birthday, and make sure you pop by my office to get your birthday treat. Today, Rattlers are focusing on being responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Today's vocabulary word of the day. Remember I said I'm going to try to find silly words on Fridays that sound silly, but can actually have some pretty cool definitions. This is taradiddle, a petty lie, pretentious nonsense. So an example of this would be like no sane person would make up such a taradiddle. It just sounds like a silly lie. Some announcements for today is today's Friday. You guys will have town hall. It will just be a little bit shorter. Reminder teachers, that means 4th period is cut short by 10 minutes. So you will have 10 minutes added on Fridays to do a mini town hall. Also, please remember, if you guys are missing your jackets or you haven't seen them in a while, it's probably because they're in the lost and found. Before you leave today, make sure you run down there and grab your jackets or missing other, there's lots of things. There's jackets, there's backpacks, there's sweaters, there's a lot of things down there. So go check to make sure that none of it is yours on your way out today. Also, it is right when you enter in the pavilion on a coat rack. Today we have quite a few tests. So in math, a lot of you are taking math tests. Good luck. English, also make sure that you guys are trying your very best. I know you guys have some quizzes and some exams in English. And science, good luck, you guys. I know you've been working really hard. Do your best, and we may have some special prizes for those of you that show growth. Yesterday, we hit 98% attendance. I'm so proud of you guys. And we had a lot more of you on time. So proud of that as well. And a special shout out to 3rd grade. You guys only had 1 student out yesterday. A lot of you only had about 2, but 1 student, that's pretty good. As a reminder, if you turn that orange sheet into your parents and they complete re-registration, you guys have a chance to win a pizza party and an ice cream sundae party. Let me tell you how this works. First homeroom in each grade level to reach 100% wins a free pizza party. Then there's also another bonus. First grade level, so this means like all of 3rd grade, all of 4th grade, to get 100% wins free dress and an ice cream party. So your homeroom can win and your grade level can win. So make sure you turn in those papers. If you're confused, ask your teachers or ask your admin. We will help you make sure that we get that done. Parents are re-registering you for next year. Our health fact of the day is, did you know if you're an optimist, it actually helps you live longer? According to a study from Duke University Medical Center, heart patients who were more optimistic about their treatment actually live longer than those that were more pessimistic in their mindsets. All right. Another thing is back to attendance. We have the attendance raffle today, and I know that we missed last week, so we actually have quite a few people winning today because you guys have been here for a few weeks in a row without taking any days off. So we're going to call a couple names per grade level. So get excited, and thank you for being here. Also, did you know that just for showing up today, you get to wear free dress on Tuesday? So that is a pretty great deal. You may win a prize, and you also may win, or you also definitely win a free dress on Tuesday because we're off on Monday. Don't come to school here, okay? Nobody's going to be here. Don't come. All right, please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a fabulous Friday. Remember, the choice is yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call the parents of the students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe, and let's see if we can hit ADA again.